Hello everyone. This is a demonstration of the Scratch Coco RC direction speed using two buttons. Essentially, you can use up to two buttons at the same time. Like for example, the up key, arrow key and right arrow key at the same time. It's using parallel if structure. You push F go fast, S will go slow. So we're ready to go. So it's running. So I want to turn right. So I push on S, immediately you can see slow down, go fast. And go forward and right at the same time. So making a bigger turn. I'm doing slow now. So backward and left, let's say. So I make a big circle around. Let's see if I go fast now and see. I change to fast. There we go. So keyboard, remote control with keyboard on the PC is very responsive.